everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be drawing Sonic the Hedgehog, and yeah, I really enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed my last Diary of a Wimpy Kid one. So when you're ready, get your pencils and erasers, and let's start drawing. Okay, first we're gonna start off with the nose. And now this part. Oh, nose is a bit too big. Okay. On his nose. Okay, now we're gonna do his eyes. By the way, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful New Year and Christmas. I really hope for the best for you all, and I hope you had a wonderful New Year. Okay, we're gonna do his eyes. His other eye. Okay, now we're gonna do his head. Stop. Now we're gonna do his ear. It's a bit too spiky. Oh, also, you could tell me what your favorite Sonic characters in the comments down below. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna do his body. So we're gonna do a line here. Stop. And you do this. His hand. And his finger. The rest of his fingers. Okay, now we are going to draw. Just fill in this part quickly. Okay, so now I'm going to do the rest of his body. gonna stop here and then go down. Because right now we're doing the legs and then back to the body. And his tail, and then his back spike. Oh, wait. Okay. And his sock. Okay, we finish the rest of this part. Okay, now we're gonna do his other shoe. Okay, so now we done, I think, hold on, I need to fix his spike. Over here, and here. Nope. Okay, so now we are gonna color him in. First, we are going to start with the color blue. And his back spikes. And his ears. So, I have one question for you guys. Have you ever have you made your vision boards for this year? Maybe you haven't, but it's okay. I'm just asking. this like. And now we're gonna use the color beige or peach or whatever some of you call it. Okay, now last but not least, we're gonna do his shoes. Okay. And that is how you draw Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I hope you, and I'm glad and see you in the next video. Bye.